Okay. Man, the smoke is going into my eyes. It's crazy.
Sorry.
No, you're cool. You're cool.
No.
Mention.
Original. Shea butter.
Yeah. I have tutu here, and this is one of the local dish in Bolgatanga. Yeah, cool. So bambara beans. Okay. Yeah. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Sindaco, and I'm back again with another interesting video. But before we start, if today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so that I can get notification anytime new video drops. Today we are preparing one local traditional food from the Upper East region, Bolgatanga. Yeah, the Frafa food called Tuntu or Tutu. Very interesting food to taste and to see. So let's get started. Tutu is a combination of bambara beans and normal beans. It's not an everyday food, and it's an occasional food, especially a funeral. It's a food from the Upper East region, Bolgatanga, and the Fafa family. Bambara beans mostly contain stones, so there's a way that you need to wash to remove all the stones, and that's how she's doing. You can see that she has much experience in washing the beans, and it's been done a bit by bit because the stones may trick you to be inside the rest, so you need to wash them bit by bit. And by so doing, you definitely see some stones, and look at how she was able to find some. There you go. You see the number of stones that have been found under. Yeah, that's why most of the times we buy street food or buy food on the street and you'll be chewing stones or be cracking stone. Yeah, because they don't take much time to wash it. But doing this means she has a lot of experience washing the bambara beans. So now that we've washed our bambara beans, you need to wash it again because it has not been processed. So washing over again like 2-3 times, and later we put them in the hot water. Normally bambara beans supposed to be soaked overnight with hot water to cut down the hours of cooking. But since we wanted to do everything live, we didn't soak our bambara beans. Now we have our bambara beans on fire, so we go to the other beans and also has the same process. So this is called Tutu. That's a local name. Okay, so it's a mixture of white beans and the bambara beans. So now she's going to wash these white beans, boil them, and mix the bambara beans with it. So let's do it. Okay.
She's going to remove the stones.
Okay. So the same procedure, washing other beans also contains stones. So she needs to wash the same steps to remove the stones from the normal beans, which is the black eye beans. Yeah. So bambara beans and black eye beans. Yeah, this beans family food. So she's washing the beans for like 2 times because there's more stones in it. So she needs to take away all the stones away. Now that we are done with the beans, we pour into the water. So you stir and leave it on fire to cook. Remember not to add any salt to the beans, either the bambara beans or the normal beans. So after 10-15 minutes, the water on the normal beans has been drained. So now we are adding our bicarbonate of soda, which is kanwa. Yeah, they call it kanwa and we call it kill. Yeah, that's I think the fancy name. Yeah, kill. And yeah, the kanwa is also help the beans to get soft early. So you don't add salt, but you add kanwa is when everything has started boiling. Then she will leave it on fire again. Normally these beans didn't take that much time, but bambara beans, oh my god. So now that we have our beans fire, we take the advantage to do different things by plugging other leaves that we'll be using for other recipe. Yeah, this
so we are plucking the beans leaves for the soup.
So this is bitter, okay, bitter.
Yes, bitter zero. That's the car. You cook it together with the bitter.
Bitter, okay.
And before you now add the other ingredients.
Okay.
Adding hot water
to the beans.
hot water.
Is it because there's no much enough water on it?
Yeah, there's not much enough.
So you use hot water. Okay.
Yeah. Mommy added.
Yeah, so after 1 hour we checked the bambara beans. As you can see, it's boiling heavily and yeah, it's on it. And those meats over there are guinea fowl. So normally when they are cooking that much and the meat is not ready to be used, they'll put the meat around the fire to prevent the flies from touching the meat. Okay, yeah. And also whilst waiting, we enjoy some pito. This is a local pito, local beer. Watch out for the video. Yeah, palm wine. So this pito looks different from the one that we tried in Tuntu. Yeah, this is more like palm wine color, yellowish style. The other one that we tried was brownish, but this is yellowish. So here's one katanga and pito. Fine. Very true. Very true. Yeah, so local beer. Yeah, watch out for this video. Pito coming on live. It is what it is. Okay. It's still hard.
It's still hard, so we have to add.
So this can take like 2 hours or 3 hours.
Yes.
More than 2 hours.
We are adding hot water.
Then, but can you soak the beans before you cook or?
This one, when you soak it, you don't soak it well. When you cook it, will not cook.
Hey!
But the ordinary beans, when you soak it,
So when you soak bambara beans and you don't soak it well, to no
will not cook. You can boil it for 10 hours. It will not cook.
Hey!
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So you have to. Because we wanted you to come and see, like, we have soaked it yesterday, hot water.
Ah, so you need to soak it with hot water. Okay, not cold water. Okay.
So that you come and when you are transferring the fire,
Okay.
make sure that the water is boiling.
Okay. Wow, man, this is crazy. Bambara beans like need special treatment.
Yeah, very special.
Yeah.
Very special.
Wow. So after 2 hours, still the bambara beans is still hard. So
You have to add more water.
more than sugar, ginger, no. So after 3 hours, she's now adding the carbonate, the soda carbonate. Yeah. Okay. Locally called. Okay. So the base is taking like the whole day to cook. Almost 4 hours, it's still not done. It's crazy. No problem. So the beans is taking like hours.
More than hours.
Yeah, 4 hours almost. Okay. So after 4 hours, our beans is now ready. The bambara beans is now ready. Damn, the bambara beans took us through hell that day. Mamma mia. 4 hours plus. Man, that's crazy. Okay, so this tutu, and it's a combination of the normal beans and the bambara beans. And after this, they will stir it. They'll mix everything together.
Here, sumazombo. Mommy, back at the fever.
Yeah, in Zola in line. So, Panas or Abaka in a barrack in free, Bunpoya. Kwamala.
So it's night already because the bambara beans took time, like it took like 4 hours before it was it got okay. So we are doing tutu and they're about to add some flour. Cassava, corn flour,
Millet fly.
Okay. So they will add millet flour to this and yeah, very soon.
So we'll not add flour.
Okay, so that's the millet flour.
Millet flour.
Okay.
They'll act like the binding agent.
Okay.
When you buy it, when you buy it, Maclabaya, it left fine.
This one have the starch, so this one will not bind them together.
Okay. So tutu is the name.
Tutu. Yona.
Okay. So you need those metal to support the pot because you need to drive them. Yeah. It's 9 now. 9 in one. Wow. So everything is done. Tuntu, yeah. You say Tuntu. What's Tuntu baya?
Tuntu.
Tuntu baya. Yeah. So simple thing, but the bambara beans was very stubborn. It took 4 hours before it got ready. Wow. Mommy, we did it already. Moku keke, okay.
Ne oil.
Oh yeah, moku ne oil. Okay. Shea butter oil.
Yeah, oil.
Okay.
Light on maybe.
Okay, shea butter. Nkuto. And one thing I realized when I came over here is that they don't eat much of the fried oil and all those kind of oil. They use the shea butter. So most of the food that they cook, they use shea butter to replace the oil, like healthy. So you see, this is the shea butter, no cholesterol. So this is the shea butter in Kuto. So it's serving time, and yeah, you see that this beans ball, beans ball, yeah, with again bambara beans placed around it, yeah. Tuntu. Shea butter. Wow.
Original
Shea butter.
Shea butter, yeah.
So the heat will make it melt itself.
Okay.
Pepper and salt.
Okay, this is pepper.
Spoon.
Dry pepper.
And salt.
And salt.
Now that's the pepper.
Okay. So there's already So the shea butter, yeah, you need to melt it. Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I've been served with Tuntu food, and this is how it looks like. Okay. I have Tuntu here, and this is one of the local dish in Bolgatanga. Okay, so as I explained before, combination of so many things, and I need to try this. Okay. Okay. Wow. It's not from anyone. I mixed everything together. Okay. I can message. We have some message. Okay. It tastes nice though. What is it? It's nice. It's nice. So this Efra food, right? It's Efra food, yeah. So this Efra food, and it's got Tuntu. It's amazing. It just feel like eating beans, Yeah, that's it. It's nice. You need to try this. Yeah. Simple steps. It's all the bambara beans that takes time before it cooks, but it's very nice. You love it. But it's hot. And I was told you can't eat with spoon. You need to use your bare hand or your hand or your fingers. So it's hot inside here. And you can see the calabash or the pot made with clay. Traditional made. Locally made. Yeah. I'm going it. It's nice. It's nice, yeah.
And you have just this.
Yeah, we have seen it, right? Tuntu, Frafra food from Bolgatanga, Upper East region. No doubt, you need to try this. Okay. This is Tuntu, and this is bambara beans and
Suma.
Suma. Okay, locally called Suma. Suma. Okay, so bambara beans, and it's served with only pepper. So
shea butter.
shea butter. Okay, so pepper is shea butter. So Suma, local name Suma, and bambara beans the English name, and they serve with pepper and shea butter. And you can add gari to it. If you have gari, you can add gari. So since I have what do you call it, bambara beans in my Tuntu food, it's the same thing. I can't taste this because it's the same food. I have pepper and bambara beans here, so it's the same thing. But this is a different recipe altogether. So only bambara beans, then you can add pepper, shea butter, and gari to it. So you make like you cook gari, but it's bambara beans. You see the difference? Yeah. Okay, so as I said, discovering Africa and discovering northern part of Ghana. This is Cooking with Sindaco. Yeah, so if today is your first time watching, click on the red button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's meet again. Discovering northern part. Okay? For shizzle. 1. Very nice. Very nice. But mommy.